Stonite Coil Corporation has been meeting and exceeding customer expectations in the design, production, and delivery of custom magnetics and coils for over 60 years. Stonite Coil Corporation serves commercial enterprises seeking custom electrical assemblies for the commercial, industrial, medical, military, oil exploration, petrochemical, nuclear, and power generation industries, and more. Our team of experts, which includes experienced electrical and mechanical engineers, takes pride in working with customers' engineering and purchasing staff to assist in the development of product specifications to satisfy the requirements of the application. There is no need to settle for off-the-shelf or generic catalog products when you can have your electrical coil winding applications custom designed and manufactured here in the United States by one of the leading coil manufacturing companies. For production products, a custom-designed coil assembly will prove superior for both functional and economic considerations. Currently, Stonite Coil Corporation is a major U.S. supplier of coils for solenoid valves, actuators, inductors, and vibrator drives. Coils ranging from 1,000 pounds down to a few ounces are routinely manufactured to our customers' requirements. Our production schedule is customer-focused to permit the ability to respond to changing delivery schedules as required by our customers. Stonite has a long-standing tradition of stability and is committed to investment in manufacturing equipment and tooling to support changing needs and materials. Stonite has proven time and again to be one of the most reliable, dependable, and competitive companies in the coil industry. Learn how Stonite Coil Corporation can help you with your next project. Contact us at 609-585-6600 or visit www.stonitecoil.com.